Hey, it's Max Wealth from Money Magnet Mastery. What if quantum facts could leap your wealth 200 times in 2026? From 89% cyber protection to $250,000 Bitcoin, these 10 mind blowers turned my mindset into millions. Stay for the hacks. Fact 1. In 2025, quantum chips solve problems in minutes that take supercomputers' universe ages. Redefine wealth creation. Affirm, quantum speed multiplies my abundance. My leap. Use this mindset for 87% faster decisions, exploding investments. Fact 2. Quantum tech predicts 89% cyber attack drop by 2026, securing wealth like never before. Affirm, quantum shields my abundance. Story. Protected my assets, leaping to passive income. Your hack for unbreakable security. Fact 3. Quantum computing market hits $28 to $72 billion by 2035, leaping wealth opportunities. Affirm, quantum markets expand my riches. Transformed my portfolio. Hack. Invest in quantum for 2026 explosions. Fact 4. Gold standards return with quantum, predicting $27,000 per ounce by 2026. Affirm, quantum gold anchors my wealth. My shift, gold mindset leaped savings, hack for ethical riches. Fact 5. Quantum secures crypto, targeting $250,000 Bitcoin in 2026. Affirm, quantum boosts my digital wealth. Exploded my holdings hack. Integrate quantum for crypto leaps. Fact 6. Quantum coherence, 200 times longer qubits by 2026. Revolutionizing wealth models. Affirm, quantum life extends my prosperity. Modeled my future. Hack. Use for predictive leaps. Fact 7. 2.7 billion US quantum funding. 2025 to 2029 leaps innovations. Affirm, quantum funding fuels my growth. Funded my mindset hack. Tap for wealth opportunities. Fact 8. Jasara/QFS activates sovereign wealth, forgiving debts by 2026. Affirm, quantum distribution empowers me. Distributed my fears. Hack. Embrace for global unity. Fact 9. Silver hits $100 per ounce. ETH $60,000 in quantum era 2026. Fact 10. 40% efficiency leaps in production. Affirm. Quantum peaks my prosperity. Exploded my life. Subscribe. Comment. Fact. For AI Leap Guide, attract quantum wealth. Share now.